We found 31 Costco products from protein-packed snacks to kitchen and lifestyle finds. But which ones are actually worth buying? Crunchy Corn 30 Packs Trail Mix. You get individually packed portions, making these easy for lunch boxes, road trips, or quick snacks. At $17.69, it's a solid pick for convenient everyday snacking. Next up, Miss Vickie's Variety. These kettle-cooked chips bring bold flavors and an extra crispy crunch. At $18.49, it's a solid pick if you want multiple flavors in one pack. Next up, Sunshine Cheez-It Crackers. You get that classic cheesy, crispy crunch that makes these an easy snack for kids or adults. At $14.99, they're a solid pick for stocking the pantry. Next up, Skinny Dipped Peanut Butter Cups. You get a rich peanut butter center with a chocolate coating that's lighter than traditional cups. At $10.49, they're worth trying when you want a sweet treat without going overboard. Next up, Super Extra Large Peanuts. These are big, crunchy, and packed with that classic roasted peanut flavor. At just $6.89, they're an easy pantry pick for snacking, cooking, or keeping on hand. Next up, David Protein Bar. With 28 grams of protein and just 150 calories, the macros are impressive, though reviews on taste are mixed. At $24.99, it's worth trying if protein is your priority. Next up, Golden Island Korean BBQ. The pork jerky gives you a chewy, smoky sweet bite, while the Korean BBQ snack bites are softer and more tender. At $9.79 and $12.99, both are worth trying if you love bold barbecue flavor. Next up, grass-fed beef sticks. They're smoky, savory, and packed with convenient grab-and-go protein. At $18.99, they're worth trying if you want a quick snack that's easy to take anywhere. Next up, Vanilla Whey Protein. You're getting a large 4.25-pound tub, making it convenient for regular shakes and smoothies. At $59.99, it's worth considering if you use protein powder consistently. Next up, Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. These electrolyte packets are designed for convenient hydration with flavors that make water easier to drink. At $22.99, it's worth trying if you want a grab-and-go hydration option. Next up, Vital Protein's Collagen Peptides. It's unflavored and easy to mix into coffee, smoothies, or drinks without changing the taste much. At $29.99, it's worth considering if collagen is already part of your routine. Next up, Oikos Protein Shake. With 30 grams of protein per shake, it's a convenient option for a quick protein boost without mixing powder. At $29.99, it's worth trying if convenience matters. Next up, Noka Superfood Smoothies. These ready-to-eat smoothie pouches are packed with fruit and veggies, making them an easy grab-and-go option. At $14.99, they're worth trying for quick, convenient snacking. Next up, Spam 25% less sodium. You still get that classic savory Spam flavor, but with 25% less sodium than regular Spam. At $16.59, it's worth trying if you want the classic taste with less sodium. Next up, Seeds of Change Organic Quinoa and Brown Rice. These ready-to-heat pouches make it easy to add a quick grain side to meals. At $9.99, it's a solid pick for convenient weeknight cooking. Next up, Bibigo Cooked Sticky White Rice. These ready-to-heat portions make serving rice incredibly convenient, with a soft, sticky texture that pairs with almost anything. At $9.49, it's a solid everyday staple. Next up, Organic Peanut Butter. It's creamy, nutty, and an easy pantry staple for toast, smoothies, or snacks. At $9.79, it's a solid pick if you want organic peanut butter for everyday use. Next up, Almond Butter. It's creamy, nutty, and an easy swap for traditional peanut butter in toast, smoothies, or snacks. At $8.39, it's a solid pantry pick if you love almond flavor. Next up, Protein Cereal. It's a convenient way to add more protein to your breakfast while still getting that classic cereal crunch. At $8.99, it's a solid pick for an easy everyday breakfast. That covers the food, but we're not done yet. Now let's check out the kitchen, fashion, toys, and other Costco finds. Next up, Trudeau Silicone Cupcake Pans, 2-pack. Silicone with a steel frame built in so it won't droop when you carry it in and out of the oven. Reviewers rave. Easy release, nothing sticks, dishwasher safe. That's 24 cavities total between both pans. Just $13.99. Easy must buy. Next up, USA Pan Half-Sheet Baking Pans. This two-piece set is built for everyday baking with a durable nonstick surface for easier release and cleanup. At $21.99, it's a solid pick for home bakers. Next up, Sabatier 6-piece stainless steel and silicone tool set. Turner, slotted turner, basting spoon, slotted spoon, ladle, spatula, silicone heads rated up to 450 degrees, gentle on nonstick. Reviewers call it a really nice set for the price, and it's dishwasher safe. Just $19.99 for all 6. Easy must buy. Next up, Hello Kitty ceramic food storage set, 8 pieces. Clear vented lids, microwave, and dishwasher safe. And yes, it's actually Hello Kitty branded, not some knockoff design. Shoppers are calling it functional and adorable. This one sells out fast, just $23.99. Easy must buy, especially if there's a Hello Kitty fan in the house. Next up, the Fry Women's Button Lyocell shirt. Lyocell gives this button-up a soft, lightweight feel that's easy to dress up or down. At $16.99, it's a great value for an everyday wardrobe staple. Next up, the Women's Notch Collar Pajama Set. You get a comfortable two-piece set with a classic notch collar design, perfect for relaxing at home. At $17.99, it's a solid value for everyday sleepwear. Next up, this Cole Haan women's jacket. It has that polished, versatile look that works for both casual and dressed-up outfits. At $49.99, it's worth considering if you want a quality everyday layer. Next up, the Maisto Special Edition Die-Cast Cars Collection. You get detailed miniature cars with realistic styling, making this a fun pick for collectors or kids. At $18.99, it's a solid value for a multi-car set. Next up, Tetris Tumble XL. It's a large, fast-paced stacking game that brings the classic Tetris concept into a hands-on challenge. At $49.97, it's worth considering for family game nights and group play. Next up, the Marcella Umbrellas and Storybook 3-piece set. You get 2 fun umbrellas plus a storybook, making this a cute, practical gift for kids. At $24.89, it's a solid value for a ready-to-gift set. Next up, the Hug Fun Jumbo Baby Animal Plush. These oversized plush animals are soft, cuddly, and made to be a big gift for kids. At $44.99, it's worth considering if you want a statement-size plush. Next up, Herky Polarized Sunglasses. With polarized lenses and assorted styles, you get everyday eye protection with options for different looks. At $29.99, they're worth considering if you want a versatile pair for outdoor use. Which product would you buy first? Comment below and subscribe for more shopping finds and honest reviews.